It's a hot day in Bangkok. We're gonna be walking down this street. We're kind of walking towards what they call Old Siam, and then you got this is a Chinatown area over here. That whole row. We just did another video, did a couple videos where I just went through that whole thing all the way down, and they got marketplace area, cool building there. And this particular video, I'm gonna go down this one and kind of walk along in the shade, see what this street looks like. Don't know what to expect at the moment yet. Stay tuned. Bangkok Phet Road, Da Nang Phet. So this is kind of near the old Siam Mall, and it's just kind of a big wide street that's kind of more in the downtown, away from where usually people go in Sukhumvit, and it's not really over by Koh San Road either. It's in the middle. So on the map, I'll pinpoint exactly the road and the big one, and then I'll narrow it down so you can see the old Sayan Plaza as well, and then it's right in that spot. So anyways, let's get into it. So we got a Bangkok, and you got the preview behind me as well, and we're gonna get right into the video. Walk and talk the camera. Okay, so we are gonna go down. It's so Bangkok-ish. It's these big massive wires, but they do kind of have some organization. Okay, so first thing we're gonna see is a musician. 2 people. One singing, not a musician, but karaoke. One, 2. Okay. This street is actually a little bit more comfortable than the other ones I was walking in. I was walking through that crowded marketplace, and it was crazy crowded. That's what it was. So I'm giving a taste of just random Bangkok. A lot of people, they'll film kind of in the same places, and you might not know what other parts of Bangkok looks like, including just random streets in the downtown and Old Siam and such like that. It's kind of tasty. Okay, so we are gonna move through here. There we go. A little bit hard to move through if there's people, but not so many people on this street, so not really a problem. Let me see, a little marketplace back there. We kind of walked out of the Chinatown area, and now I think we're walking into what would be more traditional, into more traditional downtown. I think we're just going to walk down it maybe about 7-8 minutes. That would be the street, written in Thai. Hawaiian shirts. Okay. So it looks like we're coming up on a giant Starbucks. What? It's like a giant Starbucks right there. There's a giant Starbucks. MRT is down that way. Old Sayan Plaza. Okay. Old Sayan Plaza is actually a nice thing to film. I have been in here before and it's nice. So this is kind of more like the downtown sort of, but not really. Yeah, I mean it is, yeah. Not like a traditional thinking downtown. Old Sayan Plaza. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna walk into here. Oh yeah. That's nice and comfortable. Now we're in the old Sayan Plaza. There's the Starbucks right there. I guess we're gonna go in briefly. Okay. Nice and air conditioning in here. KFC. So the main thing is it's here. So the street that we were on is basically right in front of the old Siam Square. I'm just gonna keep on walking out. Go back to our main street here. Gold. Like I'm in Macau. It's also really Chinese too. Like Year of the Dragon. Okay, so let's head on out. There we go. So our street will continue to be this one. And now we're kind of looking out onto our street now. Old Siam. It's right there. And I don't see our stop sign. That guy just is kind of walking, so I think what I'm going to do is after these two I'm going to walk as well. The name of the street? So I'll put some kind of grounding to it so you know what it is. Now we're just going to walk down. Let me see, we're at about 7 minutes. I'm just going to go down just a couple more minutes. Sometimes I turn it off and then something really interesting happens. I kind of think this is going to be the way the street's going to look though. Nice buildings everywhere. Okay, so I think we're going to come to an end. Let me just see what's around this corner real quick, and then we're going to come to an end in a moment. Alleys. Okay. So we're going to end it right there.